DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Coil Roofing Nailer offers a powerful, efficient solution for roofing projects. It's completely cordless, so no need for hoses, compressors, or gas cartridges, making it highly portable. Powered by a durable brushless motor, this tool ensures long run time and minimal maintenance. With bump actuation mode, you can nail quickly by tapping the tool against the surface, while the tool-free depth and nail tray adjustments allow for precise control and versatility. Suitable for various roofing applications, this nailer's cordless design and efficiency make it ideal for both professional and personal use. The DeWalt Atomic 1 3/4 inches compact bandsaw is a powerful, portable tool perfect for a range of cutting tasks. With a high-efficiency brushless motor, it delivers excellent performance, while its compact, lightweight design allows for easy overhead and one-handed cuts. The variable speed control adapts to different materials, and the integrated guard enhances user safety. A metal latch secures the pivoting guard for quick blade changes, and it's lanyard-ready for added security. Compatible with Tool Connect, this bandsaw is ideal for cutting conduit, pipe, rebar, and more, making it a versatile choice for both professionals and DIers. The DeWalt 60-volt 27LB SDS Max Inline Chipping Hammer Kit is built for heavy-duty demolition and chipping tasks, delivering up to 27 joules of impact energy to tackle concrete, masonry, and other tough materials. Featuring a durable brushless motor, variable speed trigger, and ergonomic rear handle, this tool provides powerful, precise, and comfortable operation. With Shock's active vibration control for reduced user fatigue and wireless tool control for easy dust management, it's a versatile and reliable choice. Ideal for demolishing concrete, chipping, and surface scarifying, the DCH911Z2 is engineered for efficiency, durability, and user comfort, making it perfect for demanding professional jobs. The DeWalt Flexvolt Dust Extractor is a robust cordless tool designed for various job site applications, delivering an impressive 125 CFM of airflow powered by the Flexvolt 20-60-volt max battery, making it perfect for tasks like tuck pointing and surfacing. With wireless tool control, you can activate the extractor remotely from compatible DeWalt tools, enhancing efficiency. It features automatic filter cleaning to maintain optimal suction power and a HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of dust particles for a cleaner, safer workspace. Its wet-dry functionality, durable construction, and compatibility with TSTAK storage systems provide versatility and convenience. The DeWalt Pipe Threader is a powerful, versatile tool designed to simplify threading pipe and conduit. With the robust 60-volt max battery, it delivers outstanding power and runtime, enabling you to tackle tough jobs efficiently. This tool threads 1/2 inch to 2 inches black iron pipes and rigid conduit, featuring an E-clutch system that automatically disengages in bind-up situations for added safety. Its innovative design includes a patent-pending pipe clamp with a depth gauge for quick setup, and an oil-resistant glass-filled nylon battery ensures durability against cutting oils. Tool Connect compatibility allows easy tracking, and the LED battery indicator keeps you informed of power levels. The DeWalt Cable Stapler is a powerful, easy-to-use tool ideal for residential wiring tasks, specifically designed to secure Romex wires efficiently. Its proprietary cable guide aligns staples precisely for consistent fastening, while its compact, lightweight design makes maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. An integrated LED light enhances visibility in low-light conditions, and the extended trigger allows comfortable operation from various hand positions. With an adjustable belt hook and compatibility with DeWalt 1-inch insulated cable staples, this stapler is a valuable addition for electricians and DIY enthusiasts alike. The DeWalt Jobsite WiFi system is a rugged, reliable solution, providing strong Wi-Fi connectivity on construction sites. Its durable, IP67 rated access points withstand harsh environments and are easy to set up via the DeWalt Wi-Fi app, removing the need for complex configurations. The adaptable mesh network self-heals as the job site changes, ensuring optimal performance and consistent coverage. This system boosts productivity by enabling seamless communication, project access, and data transfer across the site. Ideal for construction professionals, the DeWalt Jobsite WiFi system enhances efficiency with reliable job site connectivity. The DeWalt Bluetooth LED Area Light Kit provides powerful, versatile lighting for construction sites, workshops, and more, delivering up to 7,000 lumens of bright LED light with dimming options down to 500 lumens for customizable brightness. It features an instant on-off function, stackable design, and AC outlets for added convenience, plus an onboard charger to power up your Flexvolt battery directly. With DeWalt Tool Connect compatibility, you can control the light remotely via smartphone, making it a practical, flexible choice for enhanced visibility and productivity across a range of applications. The DeWalt Handheld Blower is a powerful tool designed for efficient debris clearing in your yard or workspace. With air speeds up to 129 miles per hour and 423 CFM of air volume, it can handle tough tasks like wet leaves and heavy clippings. Its variable speed trigger and speed lock let you adjust airflow to suit different needs, while the lightweight, ergonomic design reduces strain, even with extended use. Powered by a 60-volt max battery and compatible with 20-volt max batteries, this blower offers cordless convenience and flexibility. Durable and versatile, it's ideal for homeowners and professionals seeking efficient debris removal. The DeWalt Rechargeable LED Task Light is a powerful, versatile lighting solution perfect for various applications, delivering up to 1,000 lumens for bright workspace illumination. It offers up to 12 hours of runtime on low mode, making it ideal for extended tasks without frequent recharging. Built with a durable IP54 rated housing, it withstands dust and water, ensuring reliability in tough environments. With strong magnets, a carabiner, and a pivoting light head, it provides flexible, hands-free lighting options. Conveniently rechargeable via USB-C, the DeWalt DCL182 is an excellent choice for professionals seeking a reliable lighting solution. The DeWalt Ascent series is a new line of battery-powered lawnmowers crafted for commercial use, powered by a robust 60-volt brushless motor to handle even the toughest mowing tasks. With up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge, these mowers offer long-lasting performance and operate more quietly than gas-powered models, making them ideal for residential areas. Zero emissions make them an environmentally friendly choice, and they're easy to start and operate with no need for gas or oil. The Ascent series is a solid option for landscapers and professionals seeking powerful, efficient, and eco-conscious lawnmowers. The DeWalt 1,800-watt thickness planer is a robust, high-performance tool designed for professional woodworkers. Equipped with a powerful 1,800-watt motor, it efficiently handles various wood types, delivering precise results with each pass. Its 315mm planing width and 2mm depth capacity allow for substantial material removal, making it ideal for tasks like leveling, surfacing, and thicknessing. Built for durability, it features ergonomic handles and intuitive controls for smooth operation. Additionally, the dust collection port helps maintain a cleaner workspace. Overall, this planer combines power, precision, and ease of use for an enhanced woodworking experience. The DeWalt DCC1054 XR is a groundbreaking cordless air compressor, part of the DeWalt 54-volt XR Flexvolt battery platform, offering exceptional power for various applications. It features a one-turn regulator for quick setup and a brushless, oil-free motor for high performance and durability. With a maximum pressure of 9.3 bars, it's ideal for fast finishing and compatible with all pneumatic nailers. Its lightweight design enhances portability, while a heavy-duty tool cage and rubber base provide added protection. Overall, it's a reliable and versatile choice for professionals needing a portable air compressor. The DeWalt TSTAK Connect radio and charger is a portable Bluetooth radio and battery charger designed for convenience and powerful sound on the go. It features 4 mid-range speakers and 2 subwoofers, delivering impressive audio quality. The rugged, weatherproof design ensures durability on job sites, while Bluetooth connectivity allows you to stream music wirelessly from your smartphone or other devices. A USB charging port lets you power up your phone or gadgets, and a 3.5mm AUX input allows for easy connection to MP3 players and other audio sources. Compatible with the TSTAK storage system, this versatile radio is perfect for various applications, from work to outdoor adventures. The DeWalt DCE1054 pipe deburring tool is a cordless tool engineered for quickly and efficiently removing burrs from both the inside and outside of pipes. Recently announced at the NECA 2024 convention, its release is anticipated soon. Key features include a cordless design for enhanced portability and convenience, versatility for various pipe materials and sizes, and a user-friendly operation that allows for quick usage. Built for durability, the DCE1054 is an ideal choice for electricians, plumbers, and tradespeople needing an effective deburring solution. This tool is set to become a popular option for those seeking a high-quality, efficient, and cordless pipe deburring solution. The DeWalt PowerShift charger is designed for seamless integration with the ToughSystem 2.0 storage system, providing a convenient solution for charging your DeWalt batteries. This charger easily attaches to ToughSystem 2.0 modules, allowing for customizable stacking and configuration to fit your workspace. By incorporating the charger into your storage setup, you save space while ensuring your charger is always accessible and ready for use. The combination of the DeWalt PowerShift charger with the ToughSystem 2.0 system helps create a highly organized and efficient workspace for your DeWalt tools and batteries, enhancing productivity and convenience. The DeWalt Impact Connect PX pinch clamp attachment enhances PX pipe installation by allowing your impact driver to perform rapid clamping. It provides clamping speeds up to 6 times faster than traditional hand tools, greatly reducing installation time. Featuring a quick-change brace system, it enables easy switching between driving screws and clamping pipes. Designed to require minimal pinching effort, it helps reduce user fatigue during prolonged use. This versatile attachment accommodates pinch clamp rings ranging from 3/8 inch to 1 inch. Compatible with most professional-grade 18-volt impact drivers, it's an essential tool for efficient plumbing tasks. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.